very warm and pleasant good evening to all of you. Good evening. Today we are standing in a group, and this group is so huge, and it's very cold today. For all that we are speaking, we are talking in a discussion group. So here we have to understand what is the importance of this type of discussion group. What is the importance of discussing each other? Especially for learning a language, it needs to discuss a lot. Because discussing is very important to enhance our speaking graph. So we have to discuss more than enough. To cut a long story short, the more we discuss, the more we can gain. And this will enhance our speaking graph so that we may not get problem anywhere else to speak before public domain. Just before sometimes we have discussed with our friends on different topics, and we were also discussing about cold waves, that what is the harm of cold waves, how can we avoid ourselves from cold waves, how can we abstain ourselves from cold wave, what is the way of avoiding, what is the way of keeping ourselves avoid from cold waves, just we have discussed. And students from different groups, they all have kept their beautiful thoughts according to their knowledge, and we have also got a lot of knowledge on cold waves. But before going ahead, I would like to introduce myself, because in so many students it's my first responsibility that I should introduce before you all. So my name is Deepak Kumar. I am also a student from this institution. Just I have also a goal as you to learn this language so that I may not get problem to do my well in my future. Friends, while discussing in our groups, we have discussed more than enough, and we have got a lot of things, as you know that. So here the main point is that what is the importance of discussing in a conversation group, in a conversation class. As we know that when we discuss each other, that time
education on the basis of money. So we should have education as well, and we should have English also, because we all know that in our life English is also important, because here means English is also a part of education, and we should care about English and education also. In our life education plays a vital role, and as well as English also plays a vital role, because with the help of English you can get a job in private sector also. If in future you have not get job, but with the help of English you can get job in private sector also, because with the help of English you can't die hunger.
we are very familiar about this language, that we are here to learn a special language, and that special language is English language. So we know what is the importance of this language. In view of this age, this language is very demanded everywhere. That's why, keeping a goal in our mind, we have decided, no, we have to learn this language, we have to speak this language so that we can do well in our lives. And while learning this language, we have got a lot of idea, we have got a lot of knowledge related to this language. So here the main point is that this type of discussion class, this type of discussion group is very important for us to learn this language. We get a lot of knowledge, we speak this language.
And here we know that here we get such type of environment. Here we get conversation class also, and we all know that English depends on conversation. If we will converse each other, then of course we can learn this language, because the more we will speak, the more we will know. So this language is very important for everyone, and for learning this language we all have to come here every day, and we all have to get this language, because this language will make you perfect. And for learning this language we all have to touch this place, because here we get such type of environment like this we can't get anywhere else. So coming here is very important for everyone, and here conversation class is going on, and this is also important for everyone.